truly believe that when you grow the fruit on your tree, there are people that are meant to walk that path of what your tree is on in your life, and they're going to be attracted to your fruit. I never met a hungry person turn down good food. And there are people, I believe, that are on this earth that is needing exactly what you have to offer. There are people that are going to partner with you. There are people that's going to want to invest in you. There are people that's going to want to eat from your tree, and that's including women. That's including your friends, and that's including relationships, whether business or personal. So when I see a man chasing a woman, what I'm seeing is a man uproot himself, because you can't grow if you're moving. Today I want to talk about something I think a lot of men need to hear. Before I start, let me tell you something. A lot of us dudes been institutionalized, especially those who are 80s babies. We grew up with single moms, grew up watching these Hollywood movies. In my time, movies like Love and Basketball, these BET videos of R&B videos, these Boyz II Men songs, basically crooning and telling a woman, I do anything for you, I do anything to get you. You're my heart, you're my life. Without you, I'm nothing. You know, one song that sticks out is a song called This Is Why I Love You, Because You First Loved Me, and you know, I throw my life away to get you. All this. And I want to hit on that, man. Let's talk about something. As men, we have to stop chasing. If you're busy chasing, then you're not still enough to grow where you're planted. Okay? Let me say it again. If you're chasing as a man, that means you're not still enough to be growing where you're planted. I say grow because I believe every human being is a seed. And I believe as seeds, we were meant to receive the right environment in order to grow. Now, a lot of us, where I come from, we grew up in single parent homes. My belief is that you need a mom and a dad. As a man especially, you need a portrait of a butterfly that you can watch as a caterpillar to know how to become a butterfly. Translation, as a boy, you need a portrait of a man that you see every day, a model of a man which is supposed to be your father or some father figure in your home you're supposed to see every day. And as a boy, you catch manhood and you eventually becoming a man. That's the way it's supposed to be. And from your mom, you're getting the nurture and all the other stuff. But a lot of us grew up in single parent homes. Unfortunately, that's a pandemic going on to where single parent homes, especially in the black community. So where even though the fathers may be in their son's life, the fathers are not there to wake up with their kids, put their kids to bed in everyday moments. So in consequence, we get these kids, these boys who grow up like I did, writing poems to girls they like, saying, hey, whatever you want, I'll do if you go with me. You end up hearing these songs, R&B songs, without you, I'm dead, and that type of stuff. And so early on, it's like it's almost on purpose. If it's not on purpose, we're programmed to think that as a man, it's our job to chase women. And then on the other front, we think that it's our job to chase money. I'm going to chase the bag. I'm going to chase the bag. Chase the bag. Listen, let me tell you something. We were not meant to chase money, and we were not meant to chase a woman. As men, we were meant to chase purpose. And the purpose going to get you the money, and the purpose going to get you the woman that you want. Period. Let me prove this to you, okay? I just said that I believe as men that we're seeds. What happens to a seed? You plant yourself in the ground, in the right environment. The soil represents your community. The soil represents a healthy place in your life to where you can grow. Thing is, you start off small. In your teens and your 20s, you don't have that much. Your apartment may be small, but you're planted in the right place. Plant yourself in the right place, and you be still. I've never seen a seed that constantly moving that has grown into a tree. And as you're still, as you plant yourself around the right environment, whatever that may mean for you, you get the water you need. But that could be education, that could be a business plan, that could be trade school, that could be getting a certification, technical degree, whatever that may be. You get the sunlight. You get the right things that you need in your life and you nurture yourself. And you hang around people that can nurture you. But you put yourself in the right environment. As men, it's our responsibility to put ourselves in the right environment. And when we do that, we stay there. What happens? We water, sunlight, soil, we grow. We grow. We grow. We don't go nowhere. I'm not chasing money. I'm not chasing this. We grow. We grow. Now, for those who ain't watched my other videos, your purpose is an indicator of which direction you should be going. Your purpose is what you was put on here on earth for. That's what I believe, okay? What you're good at, what you're naturally inclined to do, those things point to your purpose. So find your purpose, and once you discover your purpose, plant yourself in your purpose. And everything you should do, what you eat, what you drink, who you hang around, what job you work, should be all arrows pointing to your purpose. And as you grow, you're gonna grow into a tree eventually. Your 30s, your 40s. And there's no time limit. This is just what generally happens. I see a lot of men in their mid to late 30s, that's when they finally start bearing fruit in their tree. No, you went from a seed, you planted, you've been working overtime, you've been grinding, you've been working on your purpose. That could be being an artist, that could be whatever the case may be. And now there's fruit on your tree. Now you got fruit on your tree, you're attractive now because you have something to offer to society. You have something to offer to people. There are many hungry people that's looking for your particular fruit. There are many hungry people that are looking for your particular tree, right? And you ain't moved nowhere because you stayed planted in your purpose. I truly believe that when you grow the fruit on your tree, there are people that are meant to walk that path of what your tree is on in your life, and they're going to be attracted to your fruit. I never met a hungry person turn down good food. And there are people, I believe, that are on this earth that is needing exactly what you have to offer. There are people that are going to partner with you. There are people that's going to want to invest in you. There are people that's going to want to eat from your tree. And that's including women. That's including your friends, and that's including relationships, whether business or personal. So when I see a man chasing a woman, what I'm seeing is a man uproot himself, because you can't grow if you're moving, from his environment, and he's chasing her fruit. Bruh, why are you chasing a woman? Chase your purpose. Because when you chase your purpose, you go up. When you chase people and when you chase money, you go horizontal. But when you chase your purpose, you grow up. Your direction is this way. Chasing people, why would you put your chase on a human being who's imperfect anyway? Why would you put your chase in money, which you can lose anyway? Money is important. Money is a tool. Your purpose will get you money. And I say that because once you learn how to solve other people's problems, whether it could be getting their minds off a bad time because you're a comedian, whatever the case may be, it could be you solve a problem for a company. Once you learn how to solve problems for other people with your purpose, with your gifts, you will never have to worry about money. But instead, some of us out here on weekends chasing this. 3 years you sitting there trying to get this girl to talk to you. You DMing girls. Oh, hey, I just want to say hi, queen. You know, calling women queen, and you don't even know what the hell they are. You give them that title like you know. Bruh, we were not meant to chase. And that's cool to women too. We were meant to grow. And when you grow into this big tree or this fruit, you're not going to chase, because you realize that the more still you stay, the more fruit you grow. The more you have to offer, the more you bring to the table. Think about a successful person you know, whether famous or not. What if that person, right before they became recognizable, right before their success, what if they say, you know what? I'm done chasing this fame. I'm done chasing. What if Usher said, I'm done chasing being a singer. I'm going to go holler at this girl instead. You know what I'm saying? What if the most successful person you know in your personal life, what if they stop going to college? And what if they say, you know what? I'm not going to college because I'm in love and I just want to be happy. You know what I mean? Listen, chase your purpose. As men, we attract. I have never seen an apple tree uproot itself from its standards. I've never seen an apple tree uproot itself from what it believes, from the things that got him where it's at today, and chase people saying, ooh, eat the apples off my tree, eat the apples off my tree. No, what an apple tree does is stay still, and it grows, and it waters, it receives sunlight, and it receives the nutrients from the soil, and the longer it stays, the more rooted you are. Women love rooted men. Good women love rooted men. So when the wind blows, your tree's not going to easily blow over because you're planted in your standards. When the wind blows, you're not going to easily break because you're planted. Your branches are strong. Your fruit is not put in jeopardy because you're strong. You got strong roots. Show me a yes man, and I'll show you somebody with no roots in them. Women don't want a weak man. And I'm telling you right now, if you're sitting there and if you're not being still in your purpose and growing in your purpose, then when the wind blows, you go every which way. Kings are still enough to grow their empire and their kingdom. So listen, the point is, quit chasing people, quit chasing money. Make money, get a job. I'm not saying don't get a job. Get a job. You gotta feed yourself. You a man. But don't let money be the end goal. Let money be a tool to finance your purpose. Part-time job, purpose. Full-time job, purpose. And when you are in your purpose, you're attractive, because when you're in your purpose is the thing that you will do for free, even if no one paid you for it. And that's why you will get paid for it, because it's your passion. You understand what I'm saying? And with your purpose, you're going to solve other people's problems. And when you show me a man that knows how to solve people's problems, I show you a man who will never be broke. Your purpose is what's going to open up doors for you. Your purpose is what's going to direct you in the way you should go. Quit chasing women. You sitting there looking like a damn fool. Hey babe, I was just wondering, can I get your number? And she's looking at you because you coming off desperate, because you looking like a tree with no fruit. Hell, you ain't even looking like a tree. The reason why women don't like so-called quote-unquote nice guys is because they're coming at them and they're approaching these women like they ain't got no roots to themselves, no foundation. Don't no woman want no man that can run over. But here you are, present yourself in a way to where, if she say, and blow on you, your tree falls over because you ain't rooted, man. That's all I gotta say. K's up, crown's on, king.